Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. I am doing the cooking, but I wanted to do just like a normal cooking, not like Slimming World or healthy eating. And this one I used to make with my nan all the time. It's quick and easy, only 3 ingredients, shortbread. I think you can do a low fat, like healthy version of a shortbread, but I just thought do something different, change it up a bit. Obviously I will be doing more of the Slimming World cooking, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different and normal, if you know what I mean. I know, but yeah, we're gonna do some shortbread. We're using my nan's recipe book that she bought. It looks like this. And it is your favourite easy to make recipe, simple ideas for your first cookery, which I love. Like the cover, it just reminds me of like the olden days and the ration books and stuff. So that is what we're going to do today. So come along with me and let's get started. So to make these shortbreads, we're going to need some butter, some self-raising flour. You can use sugar, but I'm going to try sweetener, and that's all you need. So obviously I'm not making a Slimming World one today. I thought I will do a different one. So I'm from my nan's little book. I'm going to make simple shortbread, but I think you can make a healthy version, but this one is, you only need 3 ingredients and it's quite, you know, different. And I thought I'll do something different instead of Slimming World ones all the time. So let's get started. So it says to put 4 ounces of butter in a pan with 3 ounces of sugar. So are we ready? Make a mess while I'm doing it. So now we're gonna go and put it over on the cooker and let that simmer. So gonna let that simmer until they both melt together on a low heat. Don't want it too high, so then you're burning the butter and the sugar. So we're going to let that simmer till it completely melts. So now that's melted, we're going to get our self-raising flour and we're going to add 6 ounces to our bowl. So this is where it gets really, really messy. And already it's messy. So we're going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to go and get the pan and we're going to dip it in there. Put that to one side and we're just going to mix all of this together. Very nice colour. Make sure it's mixed very well. It looks weird. The last time I did shortbread, it turned out fantastic. And then I did it again and it did not turn out at all good. Scatter over a bit more. So now we're going to get our tin to put it in. You can get any tin. I got this one because It's not a lot of ingredients, so you don't need like a massive tin, and it's gonna rise anyway. So we are gonna put the mixture into this bowl. So we're gonna put it all in like so. And we're just gonna scrunch it all around like so. So now I've put it in the tin, we are going to put it on, preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, which is gas mark 4, for 15 to 20 minutes. So look at that already. It smells quite nice as well. So we're going to put that in there, and we will be back in 15 to 20 minutes. So we're about to put the shortbread into the cooker. Watch your hands that you don't burn. Get an adult or someone responsible. Get an adult or someone responsible to work the cooker, and we will be back in 15 to 20 minutes to see how they look. Fingers crossed they turn out, because like I said earlier, when I first done them, they were amazing. After that, they just kept getting wrong and wrong and wrong, and I was following the recipe. So I haven't done these in years. You know, from my nan's recipe books that she got, and it's like favorite easy to make recipes. So it's like this type of book, and yeah, hopefully I've done her proud. So I'll see you in 15 to 20 minutes. A quick update, it's looking really nice. It smells really gorgeous. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it turns out okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm just hoping that I've done it justice and it looks nice and tasty. So I've just took it out the oven, and it looks alright, but it's quite soft. Well, I always thought like shortbread was hard, so I don't know, but it looks okay. It smells lush, so it's all about the taste test, I think, but it looks quite good. It's just a bit soft. Again, there's always try and error. So obviously it's a bit soft. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm hoping it's all about the taste. I'm hoping that it tastes okay and I done okay. I'm gonna try and put it on a plate. I think it's gonna crumble when I turn it upside down. Oh god. Well, come out quick, but very soft. Crumbled up, look at that. I took it out and it's crumbled up. Right, the presentation looks awful. It's crumbled. It smells nice, but it's all crumbled, it's all soft. I thought shortbread was really hard, you know, my name. But let's do the tasting. Smells so much like shortbread, but it's all about the tasting. See, that's nice. Oh my god, that is so nice. I'm not saying that, I swear. This is so nice. And I don't even care that it's crumbled and it looks awful on the plate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this is so nice. So nice. I don't know how many calories this is, but that is so nice. The presentation looks awful, guys, so please don't judge on the presentation, but I wish for a camera you could smell it and taste it, because this is so nice. So nice. I don't know how I'm going to do the thumbnail. I should have kept it in the tin. We'll work something out. But that is so nice. I'm a bit disappointed that it doesn't look too presentable, but it did in the pan, just not on the plate. I should have kept it in the tray, and yeah, never mind. It tastes nice, and I think that's all that matters, that it tastes nice and it's yum yum yum, scrum-diddly yum. I wish I can give you some, because I need to step away from them. I'm gonna eat it all. This is not good for my slimming world. Well, that is the end of cooking with Vicky. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry the presentation looked awful. Please don't judge me on that. But it does taste really, really nice. If you like these videos, give it a big massive thumbs up, subscribe down below and click that notification bell, and it will notify you when I upload a video. So if you want to see more of these videos, let me know. Vicky, step away from the shortbread. Not good. So I will see you hopefully Friday for my weigh-in, which will probably be no good at the rate I'm going, and hopefully it's open because of this lockdown. I'm hoping that it's still open. So if it is, I will see you Friday. Thanks for tuning in. This is definitely different, and I will see you hopefully on Friday. Bye, my butterflies.